In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the issue if the Facebook app has disappeared or is not showing on your Samsung device. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled Home Screen. Tap on it to proceed. Now, scroll further down until you locate Hide Apps on Home and App screens. Tap on this option as well. At the top of this section, you'll see Hidden Apps. Here, you'll notice that the Facebook app is currently hidden from view. To unhide Facebook and make it visible again on your Samsung device, simply tap on the minus button on the Facebook app. After that, tap Done to confirm your changes. Now exit out of the Settings app by pressing the Home button or swiping up from the bottom. You should now see that your Facebook app has reappeared both on your home screen and within your app drawer. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.